Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is Pantry Challenge day number 2, and the kids are going to be making themselves homemade pizzas. Mom is going out to a girls' night out, and we're going to be having chocolate and fondue. Gotta watch my points. I've been saving up my points and my weekly points just so I can attend this function. But the kids in the meantime are going to have homemade pizzas. So we pulled a few things out of our refrigerator and the freezer, and we're going to show you how they're going to put these things together. Okay, so here are the cast of characters for today. I have made up a simple 2-ingredient dough. I just did 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of the non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to split this in half so the kids will each have a half. We pulled out some of the spaghetti sauce that I made for the crock pot spaghetti sauce last week. This was left over. We did have pasta one night, so this is a little left over. We have just a few of the Jimmy Dean turkey crumbles left. I pulled out some shredded cheese that I had in the freezer, and we had 2 small bags of shredded cheese that were left just from different things we have cooked over the past couple of weeks. Just a little bit of garlic for their dough and a little bit of bacon that we fried up in the pan. So the kids are going to now assemble their pizzas. They're going into a 350-degree oven, probably for about 12 to 15 minutes. We'll see how that works. If I need to increase the oven temp, I will, or the cook time, I will. Okay, everybody, here are the pizzas. The dough has fluffed up real nice. The cheese has melted, but it's still pretty soft. It is cooking and getting done, but I don't think my heat is high enough. I'd rather cook on a lower heat for a longer time than a higher heat for a shorter time. So I'm actually going to let these go back in the oven for about 10 minutes. But I'm heading out of the door, and we wanted you to see these before I left and the kids had their dinner. So this is Pantry Challenge day number 2. We used the sauce, the flour, and Greek yogurt we had. The bacon, the turkey crumbles, the cheese, everything came from inside of the fridge. And here is what it looks like. So another 10 minutes and the kids are going to be eating. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel for Pantry Challenge day number 2. Homemade pizzas, and we'll see you for Pantry Challenge day number 3. Bye!